out here. It is December 3rd, 2nd, I think it's the 3rd. There's a blizzard going on. We got about 9 inches in the past 24 hours, and then we're expecting another, I think they've said 6 to 8 today. So a pretty decent storm, but it's super windy out. I am going to get a tour in before work, and we'll see what the conditions are like at Breck this morning. I'll keep y'all updated. Alright, we're out here on Peak 8. I don't know what the trail is. We're going uphill. We've barely gone anywhere yet, but it's coming down good. This is like 1.5 inches of fresh snow on top. They must have groomed everything good last night, but it's gonna be a fun lap. Alright, we made it to turning around point because I'm running out of time to move my car from the parking garage. Converting the board right now, and yeah, I'll see you on the rundown. Snowed in. All right, it's time to get a lap. Let's not get hit by the snowmobile first, though. All right. Super sticky right now. I changed the view. Alright, that's better. You can see more of me now. Alright, it's dropping. I really gotta move these bindings closer together. I keep forgetting. So I go on a tour. And then put the board away until the next one. Don't think about it at all. It's like my resort board right now. Oh man, this is nice. My resort board right now, binding is loose as hell. Probably gonna forget to tighten it until I get to the resort. Oh, I can't see shit. Damn. Alright, I'm gonna come out. I have no idea where the trail is. Damn. I can't see nothing. Look at this. Supposed to get another, I don't know, 6 to 8 today. I gotta work. That's why I'm out here touring. I'd love to lap this, but ain't got time for that. Oh, split board tricks. Split board in the park. See me here first. Yeah, it's probably not here first. Alright, here we are. Hopefully there's not a rope right here. Yeah, we good. Back down at the bottom of breath. Peak 8. I'll be one day. Maybe I'll bring you along. But for now, I'm checking out.